This video is how to remove and install the mag plate on your Johnson & Evans motors. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. First thing you want to do is remove this clip. You want to unplug your spark plug wires. Make sure your wires are removed. And there's 4 screws you have to undo. You have to undo that screw down there and this long screw here. That screw right there and this long screw here. All right. This screw attaches to the retainer ring underneath. So does that one, this one, and this one. Those 4 screws pull it right off. I'm going to do it now. All right, put the mag plate on. You want the cam plate be facing you. There's 4 screws that screw in to this base right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I line them up straight with me. And there's the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simply take the mag plate, set it on top. Make sure this is sticking out. Choke it. That makes it come out. Make sure your arm is free back here. And set it down. Sometimes you have to rock the points back so they don't hit on the mag plate. Once you get it set on, tighten all 4 screws. Run your spark wire behind it. Connect the arm. And there you go. That's how you remove and install the mag plate. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I make at least 1 video every week. And then go ahead and hit the like button and join the T-Mike fraternity. So if you're this first time watching one of my videos, I have over 350 videos of everything you need to know about repair, maintaining, and restoring your vintage outboard motors. I specialize in Johnson & Evans 3 horsepower to 20 horsepower, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. So as I said, I have every video you need to know on how to work on these motors. And if I don't have one, I want you to let me know. Just hit in the comments on one of the videos and tell me what video I need to make, and I'll make it for you. I've also got every part you need to work on these motors. I have an eBay store. You can get to my eBay store by Googling T-Mike Vintage Outboards or click on the link down below in the description. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store. I sell all the hardware. I sell all the kits, spark wires, ignition, magneto components, points, coils, condensers, gear case, seals, everything. I even have some printed, 3D printed plastic handle grips and other parts for you. So I have all the videos and I have all the parts you need. I also now am providing parts manuals. So I have over 150 hard copy parts manuals, 1923 to 1958. So you can get your parts manuals from me too. So this is my passion. My goal was to have every video, every part, and every parts manual that you need. And if I don't have what you need, let me know. You can always call me for technical assistance too. My number is 337-278-5429. Give me a shout out. I love text messaging. I'll try to help you and answer your question. So I enjoy what I do. I hope you're having as much fun as I am working on these motors. And remember, always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike Vintage Outboards, we're doing it 1 motor at a time. See you next video.